Fourth quarter is here, man. Fourth quarter is here. And you know what that means. Christmas is coming, guys. So if you're watching this video, that means you're looking for a way to make money. That means that you're looking to do it from home. That means you're looking for a way to do it from your smartphone. And guess what? I got some information for you that you're definitely going to need, man. So definitely, check out this video, guys, and just kind of stick around to the end, because I want to explain some things to you that's going to really help you and benefit you and your family here, that can really help you out within the next 30 days here. All right. Now, guys, I'm involved in a situation where I get paid literally instant commissions, and I can make anywhere up to from $300 plus a day with this system here in the front end. And I'm also able to earn a residual income in the back end of the system as well. Now, guys, literally with this program, when I say 300 plus, that's literally, people are making as well. But I also have people on the back end that are making anywhere between $3,000 plus a day, $2,000 days, $1,000 days. Now, think about days like that could really help you with that, be able to benefit you and your family. And as I mentioned, right now, Christmas is coming. So fourth quarter, like I mentioned, is a very, very big thing. Everyone's shopping online. People looking to make additional money. And now, also with that being said, too, is that you got a lot of people that's coming in on a New Year's resolution, so they're going to be looking to make money. So they're already needing to be positioned, and you're going to have the right thing to have them positioned. So that's why you have someone like me that's shooting a video to let you know that there's things out here, guys, that you can definitely be involved in, that you can definitely use and make money just like me and countless others. Now, also in this business here, when you join us, we have a Facebook team that we're going to pretty much put you in, and we have daily training that goes on as well. Even with the system, we walk you step by step as far as how to plug in your income streams, and what to do as far as following up, how the system follows up for your leads, and we show you traffic strategies as far as how to feed your funnel with leads to your business. So it's a win-win situation, and it's all about you winning. So, guys, like I said, this is going to be amazing fourth quarter for a lot of us here. Now, I have other programs that I'm involved in, and this has nothing to do with those, because a lot of those are strictly for the United States only. But this is worldwide, so anyone could be a part of this, and this is why I'm loving this, because I have a big list. I have a list as well, and I don't want to be limited to just one thing where my list is, and they get tired. So I'm like Walmart. I like to have multiple things for multiple people. If you come into McDonald's just is not known for burgers. Also they have shakes, they have chicken sandwiches, they have things for people that want to eat healthy. It's not just one thing. See, they don't want to miss any money. And then here's the thing, guys, they give you free trials. See, people don't notice they give you free trials as well. So I was saying trials, so I had to pick up the food. But as I was speaking about trials, where they'll say, well, we'll let you taste our double cheeseburger for $1. That's them letting you try, or you can taste our McChicken, our $1 McChicken. Those are pretty much trials, and then you can pretty much go in and then say, all right, I want to go and spend money with this particular business. So it's the same thing, where we're giving you free systems, we're giving you things to try out, so then that way, if you decide that this is something that that you want to be a part of, now. So that's why I like believing in things that where I give you something as well, just as thank yous or something for you to get you going, just so you can understand. And that's why I love systems like this, because you're getting a free marketing system. The marketing system is in place, which is to help you, and also you're getting over-the-shoulder training that's going to take your business to the next level. So the only thing you need to do is plug in the income streams, guys. Most of the time in business is that you need proof. You need social proof. You need someone that's showing that money can be made, and you may not have that yet. But why not leverage a 6-7 figure earner? Why not leverage? And that's what you're able to do with this system, guys. So fourth quarter is coming, it's approaching us, guys, and we have some freebies that you're going to be able to get once you do sign up with us. I'm actually going to be giving you a free vacation and a free $100 dinner voucher for you and your significant other when you take advantage of joining this business with me. And I'm going to give you my free social media ads training as far as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads goes, because I want to see you successful, guys. As I mentioned, Christmas is coming, and I want you to be in position. So be in position to get the commissions that we're speaking about, so that way you can do what we're talking about. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video on up, guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the information for you to check it all out, man. You can earn some big commissions, man. I mean, right away, not waiting a week, not waiting 2 weeks, 30 days for your money to clear and somebody canceling, do all that. None of that, guys. This is it. Time to get it going, time to keep it moving. So click the link. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.